Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how to draw John Doe from Forsaken. For this drawing, we start by drawing two straight vertical lines downwards that will be for part of the face. Now we will draw two horizontal lines below and above, leaving space between the two vertical lines. Next, we will join the four empty sides with curved lines. For the eyes, we make one eye big and the other small. And we draw a curved line for the smile. Finally, we just need to make the numbers 1 and 0 red. Well, we've already drawn Noe from Forsaken. If you want, you can color him. I'll do it. Very well. That would be all for this video tutorial. If it was helpful to you, please do not hesitate to leave me your like, comment, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. Without further ado, see you in the next drawing.